Customers want connection, not content. That's the reason number three why building your own community in 2025 isn't optional anymore. It's the foundation of everything. And I want to talk about this in a way that's simple, honest, and directly from the heart. My name is Dan, and I'm someone who's been building the Seven Figure Monk Academy alongside of you. And I can tell you from real experience, people aren't looking for more information. They're drowning in information. What they want is connection. What they want is belonging. What they want is to feel like they're part of something bigger than themselves. People don't buy because of a product. They don't buy because of a feature list. And they definitely don't buy because you posted a couple of videos. People buy because they trust you. People buy because they feel understood. People buy because you created a space where they can actually connect, not just with you, but with other people on the same path. That's what a community gives you. It gives you something social media can never give you, an environment where trust grows quickly, naturally, and deeply. When you create your own community, you build a place where people feel heard. You build a place where people feel supported. You build a place where people actually have conversations instead of consuming content alone on a screen. And because you're in that environment with them, loving on people, answering questions, asking deeper questions, showing up consistently, you become the authority naturally, not because you forced it, not because you tried to convince anyone, but because people get to see your heart every single day. They get to see your consistency. They get to see your values. They get to see your leadership. And that's what builds trust. People think they need better content to grow their business, but what they really need is better connection. You can post 100 TikToks and still feel invisible. You can send emails and still feel disconnected. But the moment you bring people into a community, into an intentional environment, a space, then everything changes. Inside a community, people slow down, they pay attention, they interact, they connect with each other, and they connect with you in a way social media will never allow. You still need content, you still need to grow your email list, you still need visibility, but everything you do should lead back to your free community. That's where relationships start, that's where they grow, and that's where they turn into customers, into success stories, and into your biggest supporters. Your free community becomes the place where you can generally ask, how can I help you more? What are you stuck with? What are you stuck on? What's your next step? What's your next move? And because people are actually engaged, they'll tell you. They'll show you exactly what they need. And then you simply create based on what people are asking for, what people are telling you. This is how you build income fast. This is how you build income with integrity. This is how you build income from actually helping people. This is how you actually connect with people and get people to become the best versions of themselves. Money loves speed, but it also loves direction. And when you know what your people need because you're hearing it straight from them inside of your community, everything becomes so simple. Your messaging becomes clearer, your content becomes easier, your product ideas become obvious, and your offers convert faster because they're built around the real problems your people actually shared with you. This is how you build an income stream made of raving, like out of their mind fans, not followers who come and went, not people who watched you once and forgot who you were. I'm talking about people who stay close, people who lean in, people who trust you, people who love you, people who want to grow with you. That doesn't happen on social media. It happens in your community. And I'll say this from my heart. I didn't want to be another voice in an endless feed of 5 billion people posting content on social media. I didn't want to shout into an algorithm and hope it favored me. I wanted real connection. I wanted to actually help people and connect with people. I wanted to create a space where people could feel seen, heard, valued, supported, and cared for. I wanted to be able to ask them directly, how can I serve you better? What are you trying to build in 2025? What's stopping you right now? You can't ask those questions on social media, but you can inside of your community. And because of that decision, because I chose connection over content, everything is starting to grow for me. My clarity is growing, my confidence is growing, my community is growing, my income is growing, all from serving people inside of a container that allowed real connection, not hype, not pressure, not manipulation, just connection. And here's something I've learned on this journey. Connection equals currency. It always has. The stronger your connection with your audience, the stronger your business becomes. When people feel connected to you, they stay. When they stay, they grow. When they grow, they buy. And when they buy again because they know you care. That's how you build a legacy. That's how you build something that lasts. That's how you build something you can actually be proud of. So in 2025 and in 2026, Build a community. Start simple. Ask questions, serve people, listen, love that, love on them. Show up with real intention, show up with heart. Don't try to impress people. Connect with them. Be yourself, be real. Don't try to be perfect, just be present. Don't try to be a guru, just be a guide, be a friend, be a mentor. If you do that, your business will grow faster than you can ever expect. But more importantly, it will grow in a way that feels aligned, peaceful, and honest, and in line with your values and integrity. People aren't looking for more content. They're looking for someone they can trust with their transformation. They're looking for somebody that cares. Be that person, build that community, and watch what happens to your business in 2025 and in 2026.